Hello everyone! Today in this video we are going to make sourdough brioche. Brioche it's really French recipe and make it everything right. The recipe I got from French channel 750 grams, but yeast I replaced with sourdough. Let's get started. For this recipe we need stiff levain. It has another name, polish, which I usually do before going to sleep, because the fermentation time requires 8 to 12 hours. To do this, we need 60 grams of sourdough, 80 grams of water, 1 small spoon of honey. Mix everything, and when the honey is dissolved, add 100 grams of flour. Mix everything together. So here I'm using a transparent jar that we can see the level of fermentation because it should triple in size. In the morning, as you see, my stiff levain triples in size. It's very important to make our stiff levain with active sourdough. And now it's time to make our main dough. First, we mix the majority of ingredients with a spatula. When our dough comes together, here in my case, I will put softened butter and start to mix it by using a stand mixer. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the gluten developed and allowed us to proceed to the next step. Then I'm going to let it ferment for 2 hours or until it doubles in size. After 3 hours, my dough is ready. First, you divide your dough into 3 parts. First, we make balls and then make long strips, making one big pigtail with your previously prepared strips. Next, put the dough in the rectangle baking dish and let it rise until it doubled in size. When the dough is ready, preheat the oven and brush the brioche with egg wash. Bake about 30 minutes. First 5 minutes at high temperature, after put it down for 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it until it's golden brown. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and it was useful to you. In that case, you have to subscribe to my channel because there are many videos about sourdough, Asian cuisine and French pastry. If you are having difficulties finding a recipe for your own traditional sourdough bread, you can write in the comments your country and name of your bread. I'll try to do for you. Thanks for your attention and goodbye, see you later.